Welcome to Practice Easy English. Phrasal verbs related to household chores with sentences. Clean up. To make a place clean and tidy. Do you clean up your room every day? Yes, I clean up every morning. Tidy up. To arrange things neatly. Can you tidy up the living room? Yes, I'll tidy it up right now. Take out. To remove something, especially trash. Who takes out the trash in your house? I take out the trash every night. Wash up. To clean the dishes. Do you wash up after dinner? Yes, I wash up every night. Sweep up. To clean the floor with a broom. Can you sweep up the kitchen? Yes, I'll sweep it up now. Mop up. To clean the floor with a mop. Do you mop up spills immediately? Yes, I always mop up right away. Wipe down. To clean a surface by rubbing it with a cloth. Did you wipe down the counters? Yes, I wiped them down after cooking. Put away. Put away. To store items in their proper place. Did you put away the laundry? Yes, I put it away this morning. Dust off. To remove dust from something. Do you dust off the shelves regularly? Yes, I dust off every weekend. Vacuum up. To clean using a vacuum cleaner. Can you vacuum up the living room? Yes, I'll vacuum it up now. Hang out. To hang clothes to dry. Do you hang out the laundry? Yes, I hang it out on sunny days. Iron out. To remove wrinkles from clothes with an iron. Did you iron out your shirt? Yes, I ironed it out this morning. Sort out. To organize or arrange items. Can you sort out the recycling? Yes, I'll sort it out now. Put together. To assemble or build something. Can you put together the new bookshelf? Yes, I'll put it together this weekend. Pick up. To collect items from a surface or floor. Can you pick up your toys? Yes, I'll pick them up right now. Throw away. To discard something. Did you throw away the old magazines? Yes, I threw them away yesterday. Scrub off. To clean something by rubbing it hard. Did you scrub off the stains? Yes, I scrubbed them off with soap. Rinse off. To wash something quickly with water. Did you rinse off the vegetables? Yes, I rinsed them off before cooking. Put up. To mount or hang something on a wall. Can you put up the new curtains? Yes, I'll put them up now. Fix up. To repair or renovate something. Did you fix up the old chair? Yes, I fixed it up yesterday.